Hello, this is the phone orders team. Every business has regular customers. It would be convenient to be able to store all of his addresses instead of entering them every time. The plugin has a suitable setting, Show Address Book. It is the Pro version feature only. In this video, we will show you how to use it, as well as how to combine it with WooCommerce multiple customer addresses. First of all, go to Settings, Customers, and tick Show Address Book. The next thing you need to do is enter your Google IP key. You can do this in Google Map API key, Settings Common. If you do not have a key, then you need to follow the link above. Then click the APIs and Services link. Go to the Credentials section. Click Create Credentials. Choose the API key. Copy your API key. To activate the connection, you must enter your payment information. Paste the key in Google Map API key field. You can see the address book in the pop-up Edit Customer. Just type the address and choose the suitable result from the search. Did you know that our plugin is also compatible with the WooCommerce multiple customer addresses and shipping plugin? Go to the Settings Customers and tick the checkbox next to the Show Address Book label. Now, your customers' addresses are conveniently stored in the WooCommerce multiple customer addresses and shipping. Show the address book options simplify working with the customers. It speeds up the search of the desired address or the selection from the client's past addresses. See other plugin guides to improve your service. There was the phone orders team with you.